Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to get rid of cicadas in your gutters. This video will explore everything you need to know and provide methods to keep your gutters free from the nuisance of cicadas, so make sure you stick around for that. Spraying pesticides. Using pesticides to control cicada populations is one effective method, especially when they are in large numbers. Whichever brand of cicada pesticide you choose, ensure that you follow the product's application instructions. The best time to use pesticides against cicadas is during early spring, when you will target the cicadas' nymphs, and in late summer, killing the adults before they lay any eggs, effectively destroying their life cycle. Trimming tree branches and covering the trees. Overhanging tree branches on your house's roof act as pathways for the cicadas to access your gutters. To prevent the cicadas from reaching your gutters, regularly prune these branches. Be cautious when trimming tall branches to prevent them from falling and injuring you. Similarly, female cicadas typically lay their eggs in the trees. Consider covering your trees with cheesecloth. The cloth acts as a barrier, preventing the cicadas from accessing them, while the fine meshing ensures they still receive plenty of sunlight. Using a gutter guard. One of the best ways to prevent cicadas from accessing your gutters is shutting them out. Covering your gutters is particularly effective before the cicada invasion. It will also prevent cicadas from entering and clogging them. Introducing natural predators. Birds are one of the cicada's predators. Introducing them into your home compound can help you naturally eliminate cicadas. Introduce or attract birds into your compound by setting up bird houses and bird baths to draw them in. Regularly cleaning your gutters. You might clean your gutters twice or 3 times a year, but with the cicada population in your yard, you may need to increase this frequency to prevent clogged gutters. With an increased cicada presence, they are more likely to clog your gutters with their exoskeletons much more quickly, blocking the drains. Ensure you regularly use water to flush the cicadas out of your gutters. So, there you have it. Getting rid of cicadas in your gutters should be easy so that you protect your gutters from clogging. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.